Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set the best picture settings for Samsung the Frame TV. From the home menu, let's open the sidebar and go to Settings tab. Then let's open all settings to go directly to the picture menu, which is the first on the sidebar in the settings menu. Here the first thing that we'll have to change is the picture mode. Let's set it to movie. It will use more power this way, but it will increase the quality of the picture overall. Then let's go to the expert settings and let's adjust them to our needs. So let's start with the brightness. I would recommend setting the brightness to the moderate level, like around 20 to 30, because this way the dark scenes won't lose detail, but the image will be not washed out. So just check the lights in your room and adjust the brightness to them. Then goes the contrast. So contrast should be high but clipped. So I would recommend using contrast I would recommend using around 35 to 45 values. Once again, depending on your room lights and this way you will enhance image pop, but you will avoid clipping on your device's screen. Now let's go to sharpness. So the sharpness should be set low to medium, so 0 to 10 values will do, and too high sharpness will add some artificial edges to your picture, so keep it modest. I will set it to 5. Now let's go to color, and the color should be either default or slightly lowered for cooler colors. So I would say like 20. And now let's also adjust the tint, and basically we should make no adjustments here, as the tint would look perfectly if you set it to neutral value, which is G0 R0. Well, unless you observe unnatural skin tones or color shifts while watching movies. Now let's scroll down. Here we can enable contrast enhancer, either set it to low or high depending on which one looks better for you. Let's also go to picture clarity settings, set them to custom, and then for the jitter reduction, either turn it, either turn it to make it 0, or just keep it low for natural motion. Now as for LED clear motion, switch it off, because if you enable it, it will increase screen flickering. I will just show it to you. You can see it for yourself. So yeah, do not enable clear motion, LED clear motion. And let's also enable noise reduction to avoid flickering. And the last thing that I would change is, last two things I will change is the gamma, which I would set to like 2 maybe, because this way it will provide you balanced mid-tone brightness for most viewing situations. And I would also change the color tone to warm 2, because it provides color temperature closest to professional standards. And that's basically it. You can also, if you're playing games, of course, you should enable game mode instead, which is located in the connection tab in your settings. Just go to game mode settings and enable it by switching the toggle to the right. and also enable Game HDR if it's available for your console. Now the last thing that I want to mention is that you can calibrate your device using Samsung devices released after January 2019, or iPhones released after 2019. Basically, the iPhones that support Face ID. I'm not sure if iPhones before 2019 supported Face ID, but yeah, that's what it even says it right here. Now, unfortunately, I don't have such Samsung around, so I cannot show you how to do it. But basically, that's the best picture settings for your TV. Now, unfortunately, you cannot tell from looking on my screen from the camera, because I know if a camera reflects or camera shows some flickering, but it's not visible in real life. It's just camera specifics. So that's basically it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.